into what's going on around and what's being said. Instead, executing, in the moment, making the right reads.
11 and 4 49ers, 4-11 Washington Commanders Sunday kickoff at 10 a.m. At the sports desk, Matt Pittman, KCBS.
Hey guys, at Primale Medical, their mission is to provide you with the medical care you need to improve your ED, low T, and incontinence. With years dedicated to improving the lifestyle of their patients in the Bay Area, Primale Medical strives to improve your love life and overall health. Listen to Dr. Robert Rowley.
We have virtually every medication known to man to help men. We specialize in acoustic wave therapy, sublingual lozenges which bypass the digestive system, making them work faster and more effectively, injectable medications, and testosterone treatment for those patients who need it. Impotence problems can be treated in just one visit.
Why wait? Don't lose hope. Call now. Get a PSA test, testosterone test, Doppler ultrasound, and a full year of free visits for just $99. Call now, 415-761-4037. That's 415-761-4037. 415-761-4037. Or go to primalemedical.com.
Does your heart long to wander? To discover the deep secrets of coral reefs? Explore the wonders of the California coast and silent hop from the Galapagos to Madagascar. Feed your wild heart. Travel the world right here in San Francisco at the California Academy of Sciences. Get tickets at calacademy.org. Take the season for sight with falling snow, fish, fun, and more. Want the very latest in sports? Listen for the Bay Area Chevy Dealers Sports Desk. Visit BayAreaChevroletDealers.com.
Traffic and weather together here on the Every 10 Minutes on KCBS. Well, we got a new crash over on Highway 17, and Claire's going to tell us all about it.
They still have the signs lit saying slippery when wet, and they mean it. Even when all the other roads in the area dry up, 17 is always wet in these conditions, and we've had a rollover crash and a couple of other accidents over the last several hours. This latest one, not as serious. Highway 17 southbound at Summit Drive, car spun out, facing the wrong way at you. It's over on the right shoulder. Doesn't look like anybody's hurt, but it's definitely going to slow you as you come past Summit Road, and we do have emergency responders on the way to check everybody out there. A big backup now in Sonoma, Pleasanton, roadwork north on 680. Looks like they've got all lanes blocked on Highway 84 because traffic on northbound 680 is stopped now from by the truck scales. We've also got roadwork in the southbound direction of 680 from Sonoma Boulevard on down to Highway 84. Our next report is 10:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
All right, we take a look at your KCBS 6-day forecast. You might run into a little brief rain shower here and there throughout the night. We do have that new front rolling on in. It's going to arrive some point tomorrow, bringing lots of rain and wind. Got a potential for a few thunderstorms as well. Going to have your highs getting up into the low to mid-60s for your Friday. Now be aware, we have a wind advisory that's going to be in effect until 7 p.m. tomorrow. Also a coastal flood advisory is in effect until 2 p.m. from Big Sur all the way up towards the North Bay coast. And a high surf warning is still going to be in effect until 3 a.m. on Friday morning. Now we're going to see those showers tapering off on Saturday. We're actually going to dry out on Sunday. We'll have some clouds and some lingering showers. Look for highs to be in the 60s. And for Monday, it's going to be the dry first day of the 2024. We'll even see some afternoon and the sunshine afternoon.
Okay, finally. Yeah, I'm not checking.